inside your food? What if I tell you that some of your favorite snack could be hiding something you'd never expect? Good day, everyone. I am Caitlin, and they are.
Hi, I am Athena Julian Chan.
Hi everyone, my name is Maria Cruz Bacarisas.
Hi, I'm Brian Ralios.
Good day everyone, I am Shara Faiti Sinambong.
In today's experiment, we will be testing our food to see which one is secretly packed with starch. Stay tuned as we uncover the truth of one bite at a time.
Hello everyone, I will explain our data table about the iodine test for starch. First, we tested cup negative, which contains only water. After adding iodine, there was no color change and it stayed yellow-brown. This shows that water does not contain starch, so it is a negative result. Next is cup positive, which contains water and cornstarch. When iodine was added, the solution turned dark blue-black. This confirms the presence of starch and serves as our positive control, proving that the iodine test works properly. For the potato, the color also turned dark blue-black, which means starch is present. This is expected because potatoes are rich in starch. The bread or cracker sample also turned blue-black, indicating that it contains starch since it's made from grains. For the banana, the color changed slightly, but did not indicate starch clearly, so the result is recorded as no starch. This shows that banana are mostly sugar, especially when ripe. Next, the rice sample turned dark blue-black, confirming that rice is high in starch. Lastly, the candy sample showed no color change, meaning it does not contain starch. This is because candy is mostly made of sugar. In conclusion, foods like potato, bread, and rice tested positive for starch, while water, banana, and candy tested negative. This experiment shows that iodine is an effective indicator for identifying starch in food.
Good day everyone, I am Shara Faiti Sinambong. So for today, we will be reporting on the experiment, which consists of 8 guide questions. So I will start with the first question. What color is the iodine solution before you start testing? So before testing, the iodine solution used in the experiment was betadine. Its color is yellow-brown before the test begins. This is its original color before it reacts with any food sample.
Number 2. What happened when iodine added to the cup with only water? Well, there's no color change because the water does not contain a starch.
Third question. What happens when iodine is added to the cup with cornstarch? When iodine was added to the cup with cornstarch, the color changed to dark blue or black. This means that the starch is present in the sample.
For number 4, how do these 2 cups help you understand and what to look for in the food test? The 2 cups act as controls. The water-only cup shows no starch reaction, while the water with cornstarch shows positive starch reaction for comparison.
Number 5. Which food color changed the most? Well, we have potato, bread, and rice change the color the most.
Sixth question. What does a blue-black color tell you about a food? It tells us that the food contains starch. So when the iodine changes to a blue-black color, it means that the food sample tested positive for starch.
Do you think some foods didn't change color? Some foods didn't change color because they mostly don't contain starch. They're mostly contain of sugars, fats, or protein.
Foods are starchy and might give you long-lasting energy. It's potato, bread, crackers, pasta, and rice because starch provides low and long-lasting energy.
In conclusion, iodine solution is a reliable indicator for detecting starch in food. It changes from yellow to brown to dark blue-black when starch is present,
with plain water as a negative control and water plus cornstarch as a positive control, we clearly identified non-starchy and starchy food. For example, is the potato, the bread, the crackers, and rice are all tested positive for starch, highlighting their role as a sources of slow and long-lasting energy. Meanwhile, the candy, the banana, has shown no changes of color, which indicates it has minimal to no starch and are primarily composed of sugars. Ultimately, this simple test provides a clear way to distinguish between foods that fuels us steadily and those foods that deliver quicker energy. This experiment is giving us a valuable insight into how different foods support our bodies. And that's all for our report. Thank you.